Millions of women suffer from hair loss, and for these women, their alopecia is not a trivial or a vanity issue. Hair loss has real psychological and medical implications.
I had struggled with hair loss since I was 32 years old. Coming from a family of physicians, I tried all of the latest prescription drugs for hair loss, but none of them have worked for me. With my PhD in biomedical engineering, and as a former NASA scientist, I knew there had to be a better solution to allow me to rid myself of medications and regain my hair using technology. It was at this early stage of development that I met Ghazal.
One day, shortly after my 15th birthday, I was brushing my hair and I saw an unusual amount of it coming out. My hair means a lot to me, so naturally, I tried everything out there, but nothing seemed to work, and I had no hope left of feeling normal again.
After discovering how many people were like me and Ghazal, unable to find a solution that worked for them, I decided to dedicate my skills and expertise to create the best home hair restoration and hair health device. Following my goal of bringing in clinical strength technologies directly to people who need it, the Theradome LH80 is the result of our efforts to solve this problem.
The Theradome LH80 is the world's first and only FDA-cleared laser hair health and restoration device.
The Theradome LH80 uses a proprietary full scalp helmet design with 80 laser diodes to emit light energy at the optimal wavelength for hair growth. This light energy is absorbed by the hair follicles, stimulating cell metabolism and increasing blood flow. This process creates the optimal environment for the scalp for hair to grow thicker and fuller. Theradome and in-office clinical grade devices are effectively identical in power, type of light, wavelength, and concentration. The only distinctions are price and home use.
Because of our partnership with a world-renowned modulus medical device manufacturing facility right here in Silicon Valley, we're able to take this cutting-edge technology out of the clinic and into the home.
My advice to patients is to look for a device that is a laser, not an LED. Patients should also look for a device that is easy to use, like one that has hands-free operation, and a wavelength in the 670 nanometer range. This might seem like a technical detail, but according to the most recent scientific studies, lasers in this wavelength are the ones that have proven effectiveness.
Through the efficacy study of the Theradome LH80, it was found that in as little as 1 month, 98% of the participants who were battling hair loss experienced positive visual results, and within 4 months experienced new hair growth. Equally as important was that it was also found to promote overall hair health. Participants often experiencing a doubling of the diameter of the hair shaft and 99% experiencing visible hair thickening.
It was only by luck that I was one of the first few participants to try out the Theradome helmet, and I'm really glad I was. I would recommend it to everyone. Thanks to the Theradome helmet, I now have the kind of luscious, full hair that every 17-year-old should have. If your hair is thinning, or if you want better, fuller hair, or if you're losing hair, you should definitely try the Theradome helmet. It gave me back my confidence, and it changed my life. It can change yours too.
It is my goal to make these same results possible for everyone, young and old, by providing people with the benefits of using the Theradome LH80. Together, we can make hair loss a thing of the past.